And Hazrat Uqail has reported from Zuhri. Urwa would say that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha told me, the disbelieving women who came after embracing Islam, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would test such women, and it reached us that when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent down this command, that when women after embracing Islam come to you from pagan territory, give their unbeliever husbands what they have spent, and that not to have firm hold to the matrimonial ties with the unbelieving women. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu divorced his two as such wives. One was Qurayba, the daughter of Abu Umayyah, and the other was Jarwal Khuzai. Hazrat Muawiyah married Qurayba, whereas Abu Jahm married the other one. When the infidels refused to give the Muslims what they might have spent on their wives, who would go to them, infidels, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse. And if some women go away from the custody of Muslims to the disbelievers, to the end. Surah Al-Mumtahinna, verse 11. The remuneration was that when the women of disbelievers migrated to the Muslims would pay what their husbands had spent on them. Now it was commanded that the remuneration which had to be paid to the women of the disbelievers should be paid to the Muslims whose wives had gone to the pagans. And Imam Bukhari says, we do not know any woman who may have gone to the pagans after renouncing Islam. And we also got the news that when Abu Basir bin Asid Thaqafi embraced Islam, and after migration from there visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Akhnas bin Shariq demanded in black and white the return the complete Hadith. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2733.